Hello, this is Bill Collins with Ultrasound Home Inspections. Today I'm inspecting a house that's approximately 10 years old, and I found a few issues here with the HVAC unit. A lot of times when the contractor backfills dirt around the house and pours a concrete pad for the unit, over a period of time that dirt will compress and the unit and the concrete pad settles, which makes the unit become unlevel. And when that happens, it will pull the flashing away from the exterior wall, as you can see here, and this will allow moisture to enter in behind the cabinet in the crawl space. Also, when that unit becomes unlevel, the compressor can't get sufficient lubrication during its operation in the summer months. The last thing I found with this HVAC system is these coils are dirty behind these fins. You can't really see it with this video. But these coils are clogged up full of dirt, and this will affect the efficiency of its cooling system, and they should be cleaned as well. For more informational videos like this, please visit our website at ultrasoundinspections.com.